position esimbeka kuyo Rick. You cannot put someone G uchomi. But yeah, I was like, okay, let me write. Me, I know Mosba, I'm gonna kill it, yeah, but like Bono, Ricky, and everyone else abayaz, so it's a risk. Come on, let me go and record the way. Because the recorder, there are 2 verses as
okay.
Kaka Apex. Time say what call as a verse. They got record there. Kaka Apex. They got simulations.
Sure.
You have confidence, yeah, me.
Eish.
Was like that. There's no way.
Okay, to Yamaro these.
There's no way. Then also he has Apex and Maz. I haven't seen him in life, but I respect the name because he was so chill. Like we are ends the way yake. On the US and he said words. But I still recorded my verse. He had confidence. I was like, nah, I gotta go and meet to Rick. Yeah, bo. Let me chill with Rick. It's been a chemistry, and then I will record go like that. Because that session went bad. It was still the same verse. Funny enough, I've never changed it.
Still the same verse. Yeah.
Because I understood this is a classic verse because it complements the song. Yeah,
Hi all, today we are joined by the one and only Inkosi yamaNdebele, the hottest Kapa front page Inkosi, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, today he's also wearing baggy pants. Indeed. Please help me to welcome the one and only Inkosi yamaNdebele. Yeah! Yeah, my nigga.
Go by the name of Inkosi yamaNdebele, front page Inkosi, the hottest Kapa. Hottest worldwide. Danger to society.
Yes. Yaitanda lo intro Brian. Now on the born by Yaitandi intro. Yes, the same though.
Nah, and yes.
Okay.
I think the hottest Kapa part came from Baggy Pants because there's a verse part that front page Inkosi, the hottest Kapa. So I just ran with it, born the hottest Kapa. And then I named the recent single the hottest Kapa.
Okay.
So Zani thing, man, it's just again, let's be.
Okay. And goes Tetayo before we actually dug deep into the interview and Alelaba Mtata is not where you actually grew up from. You the hottest Kapa coming from Mtata. But then how did that come about you fucking with Mtata still?
Nah, the problem is I'm actually from Mtata.
Okay.
My mother's from Etujwa, my father's from Mtata. So obviously, Kabase Mtata. So Mtata, and then we moved to Freedomberg, like early 2000s, number 201, 23. We moved to Freedomberg because Satujula Mtata.
And Basayenza Louis Mtata still.
Like
yeah.
Because the kind of arrangement about okay, Utamia Spana, and then only to shake on Abandona Eastern Cape. So I think there is a low arrangement up until like Sbe Batal. So shout out to the shooters, born because he came back like the following day was a start and we never went back.
Okay.
So yeah, we grew up in Freedomberg, you know.
Shout out to the shooters for real.
Shout out to the shooters.
Because they paved a new way for you to experience life somewhere else and become Inkosi, you know. And let's talk about you celebrating 1 million streams. For the hottest Kapa. You know, that's really big, bro, because I even saw the music video and I saw the girl Asive is always there on the car. Is she your girlfriend maybe or Kanye?
Nah, she's not, man. Asive is one of our bandits and as a model, and also she's a creative, man. Bon. She puts in a lot of ideas in me, Boba. Let's do it this way, bon. I actually met her through IG. We were following each other on IG. And then she posted something, anyone who's up for a collab, anything. So I DM'd her like, actually, let's push Baggy Pants. That's our first song that we pushed together. And then we pushed Hottest Kapa with that snippet, like at the back of Ipak.
I remember that snippet. Yo, it went crazy.
Yeah, it went crazy.
Yo, before the actual drop too, bro.
Yo, I think it was a month prior to the drop. Because I always drop my snippets even before the song is finished. Like, and the villain record the chorus and then maybe a verse.
Yazazi fans
the problem is I like creating, whenever I create something I say pull me faster one by Eve. That's why I don't record a lot of songs, because andikwazi uzibamba.
Yabo.
So endapha ndifuna uzikhupha zonke. So I recorded. Bedupeki Pants, it was the same thing. It wasn't finished when I released a snippet. So I did the same thing actually. It wasn't finished. It was only a chorus and then the verse. So I shoot this snippet. And then I abandoned the recording, and then it was finished a month later.
All right, a month later. Andibonile bralangoma, and I was like very proud to listen to it and realize about you banger. And but you get 3 verses too.
Nah, it's two
verses now. You made sure with the verses by Z-Pack and the hook, you did it in like 20 seconds?
Yo, the hook, like, it's a matter of ball, but and then you decide to play a beat, and then you go outside for a smoke. Let's say you take like, I don't know how many minutes you take Uchaya, probably like a minute or 2. By the time I boom, the high, let's record.
So stability now, bro.
Yeah, it was fast, and I was skeptical about that song because I recorded it yabo, on a Friday, and then Saturday I came to Joburg when I texted you.
Okay, the combo.
So I was like, hey, I'm not sure about this song because I recorded 2 songs. I mean, I was initially recording the first one, and then this one happened by accident. So I was not sure about the second one. I was like, yo, hey, Lengom. So I just teased it on my socials for like 5 minutes. That's at the time. 5 minutes I teased. Boy, everyone went crazy. Funny, yeah, play mom.
Yeah.
Boy. I was like, okay, this is the song.
Sure.
And yeah, when I got back to Cape Town, I recorded and like,
yeah. Okay, that's interesting, bro. Tell me about the beat as well, because you heard the beat and you were calling an Uber and was like, they play my little Uber. I'm not going anywhere because this beat, it moved me.
It moved me,
bro.
But that was a song. It wasn't a beat.
The price of pushing viewers as means and also if followers maybe uzazifumana kakhulu ku TikTok yabo. If uzoposta ama clip nyana ku TikTok, definitely abantu bazohamba boy stream phaya. So yeah, you grand push. Right now in business ngizama ukukhangela i-contacts zasehermanas ngifuna abantu bayishare yabo, but andikho sure uzoqala phi kanjani. I'm sure nabo bazobuza
dog, not abantu abaninzi andifuna usidlangalala le kuseta no jonga iplan yami nabhura is khona umjida wami one birthday yabo pha. So liwe ndicinge apha ensukwini, man, I think it was like Monday. When I thought about it, like, shit, yo, what happens in Henja, yabo? And when it comes to reactor, yamaNdebele, yabo. But yo, John, the idea came about, yabo. What happens is that abantu who are actually streaming right now is established people, kids from the suburbs, yabo. Those are the people who actually know what streaming is, because of affordability. But say there might be a gem somewhere in the hood, somebody who can take this thing to the next level, you know, but we're not aware of this thing. So the idea was, remember there's Thorn. Thorn is actually when you stream consistently, but I cannot stream consistently, because abanye abantu bayasebenza, abanye abantu basescale, and I want to do it with abantu baselokishini. So I can only do it on weekends, but during the week I can only stream nandoto, here in my house, that's not an issue. But on a weekend, every Saturday I'm streaming in a different hood, but I don't want a lot of people to a point by say, it can be a few people. I don't want lali or onge funding, and lomjida, for instance, for instance, I want Muslim, and but I just want to start. Nobody knows about this. I have 13 followers now here on Twitch. Nobody knows anything. I don't have followers. Say I was watching Inkosi stream yesterday. This guy didn't announce anything. He just went in, and there was already 1,000 people watching. 1,000. I was like, damn, bro, that's crazy. But anyway, I believe that on part. It is. So the idea was to just vibe with people from my class. The IRL is streaming during the day. Is this gonna show me sports? But okay, here is we nanzi ndawo uthenga kwenhloko egusha, nanzi ndawo i-fish and chips, nansi indawo nje sportsman yabo nansi team yekasi yabo and stuff like that yabo nje ndihambe nomuntu oyi-1. You remember la show kaZola 7? I think uZola used to do it, but into zase-TV, what they usually do, they are scripted. Into ezithile, yo, what's up, dog? Into ezithile ziyasuswa on ziyazinyeliswa yabo. Or what is what yabo? The original thing, the raw, the authenticity of it, yasuswa. So my idea was to bring back the raw thingy, put it on live. So I'm thinking on the next session, Saturday that week, I'm going to Mbekweni, do, and then the other week I'm thinking of Kraaifontein. But it's gonna depend on the vibe, yabo. I just hope people follow this and support it. But I was like, no, I'm starting it. Whether I have supporters, I haven't. Abantu will just catch on. They would catch along, bro. But what I'm saying is not too many people, bro. Don't go too crazy. Don't. Like, I think Usheri's status WhatsApp is enough, or even reposting it on, like, Usheri's the same thing on TikTok is enough. I don't want too much. Ufuna uyayibona le uzayibona. Ongayibonanga uzayibona later on. Simple as that. Mucho. Yo, chat, this is Inkosi yamaNdebele, bruh. This guy is top 2 streamers in South Africa. How do you not know this nigga? How about this guy? Look at the views this guy gets on this guy is just below Sonwabile, bruh. Look at, and he only started last month to stream, which is aura to the next level. This guy, bruh. What do you mean who's this, bro? What do you mean who's this? Inkosi yamaNdebele, how do you not know? Even Aaron now is no, Aaron is crazy. But yo, he's top 3. That means he's top 3. This guy is top 3 streamers right now. Check him out. He's called Inkosi yamaNdebele. Listen to this jam. He's a jam.
It was a song.
It was a song.
But I think in the next 6 months they will all be behind me. Oh fuck, it's gonna be hard beating Sonwabile. But yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Song.
Okay, Creed Osis. Okay,
so Creed records a lot every day. So he has a lot of throwaway songs, angazuzi release. Sometimes just exploring. Sometimes I cannot plan high. So I asked him, yo Fetu, le beat. He played the song and then can I record like mid song so he was just playing the beat. I was like, Fetu ngoma yakho le. I was like, yeah, ngoma yam, but I'm not planning on doing anything with it. I'm like, phone him, cause up.
Yeah.
That beat was based on a lot of Feb, so we had to go and look for a beat. So I was like, Fetu.
Yeah.
And then he gave me the beat. Inkongo mthatha na la beat.
Okay.
Shout out to Hit Trick.
Okay, shout out, bro. And
no, Creed Osis masimthatha.
Mthatha na Creed. Okay, kodwa ngosekapa na.
Yeah.
Chat. The icy motion is crazy. He looks like he still souls is crazy. The icy motion is crazy, chat.
Ebole way bana. I see a lot of people like umaxhasa.
Yeah.
Mchita ngwasepai. Like Leo Brennan naye wasepai, but these guys go to Cape Town in order to make it in music. But the traditional route is like coming to Josie, bro.
I think for his class, yeah.
Why is it the market that side it's more strong? Because the bars are Bravo, no D. But
when people speak of Cape Town, they limited, like Western Cape, they limited to Cape Town only. By like, I'll go like Cape Town, you have to move to a bigger city, Joburg. Western Cape is huge.
Yeah.
If let's say you blow up a Cape Town, Western Cape, you won't automatically blow up here. Eastern Cape, just like 2 provinces.
Oh.
For East Coast, it's dominated. I don't know how many castles are there. A Cape on its own is about Coast. And then a Western Cape, the outskirts of Cape Town. Western Cape as a whole, you're Queen at George, and then be Eastern Cape. So I think if you push this Coast, you can go to Cape Town. Yeah.
And
that's where the source is.
That's the source.
That's the source.
In Cape Town.
Yeah.
So in terms of you being booked, you can be booked in Cape Town and be booked somewhere else.
Yeah, same night. Kukui Pal, Kukui Worcester, Kukui Harmanas, Kukui Mosebe is too far.
It's too far now.
Mosebe is too far. Mosebe and George, you can't accept the gigs outside of Cape Town.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, you are going to book Cape Town, even 2 gigs, and then Pinoambe outside, yeah, where's you now? Inside the Western Cape.
Okay. I want us to talk about your childhood. To touch on it. You said you grew up in Vredenburg.
Yeah, I grew up in
Vredenburg. That's like a colored area?
Colored area, yeah.
So, jy praat Afrikaans, jy verstaan baie mooi.
Afrikaans.
Okay.
Maar Afrikaans wat de mensen leren met skin bij de school.
Baie dankie.
Wat de mensen leren in de straat. Ja, so je Afrikaans. And was a speaker Vredenburg, it wasn't dominated. There are a lot of like black people, Sbanins. But was a speaker Tina, all of my neighbors were like colors. They few like close. So I grew up and also quite games as like say Itola or Peka, whatever. Nekeskar. I don't have the closer names for as away because none is Africans, because Kappa Pool, because Kit Katies, because Chach Akis, Bone younger away. So each childhood it was Africans, yeah,
I get you. I like it. And this class I can go in order for you to also be like the Inkosi, not even Inkosi, I'm not class, but
we're actually gonna be streaming from the hood, bro. What we're gonna be doing is we're doing IRL during the day. Somebody takes us through the hood during the day, and then maybe we're gonna find a place and chill and have a vibe. Yeah, we're gonna be inviting a lot of different people, but it's gonna be Amaz, I think. The first stream ever. I'm doing a Kasithon, bro, but now a Kasithon, I understand a Kasithon is consistent days. Like day after day. But I can't do that because now I'm going to be interacting with people who are busy during the week. You know what I'm saying? So I can't, I want anticipation as well. I want people to be able to wait for the next episode because I can't go to this other hood this today and then I go to another. I can't travel like that. So each and every weekend is a new hood. So I'm going to have like a season 1, maybe certain hoods in a month. Then a season 2 in certain hoods doing on how to survive. Let's go. Yeah, that's it, chat. I'm doing on how to survive. That's basically it, bro. I'm gonna be there with the parts, bro. I want that. I want it almost unalive.
yamaNdebele.
No, it's close. Goes back to la way yoba ubuyibuz ba imthathe dibana njani if ngikhule eFreeburg. So ekhaya almost every year June December sasiye Eastern Cape yabo. June December also abazali bama two traditional yabona. Then Maskand, that's where I love Maskand. I funda phakubo. I love to Maskand. So isiXhosa sabo was always isiXhosa yabo. But then outside anything came obvious Afrikaans yabo. And also I did Afrikaans from grade 1 till grade 4.
Grade 1 to 4.
Yeah,
okay.
I was bad. I remember, I think I failed grade 4. But because there was a new school, AOQA, for the following year, Sabakos. So we were like, just okay, just go to that school. I was actually grateful because you that fail. I think that no one of our needs. Yeah, because the subject songs in the Afrikaans,
I get it, yeah. So it takes time for you to learn the Afrikaans, learning.
I didn't see my Afrikaans like a formal.
Or like home language.
No,
Afrikaans.
Like is only subject in Afrikaans. It's hard.
Nah.
It's hard.
I can imagine, bro.
Even colors, English.
Even colors now.
Fun in a labor time.
Okay, so grade 5 wako waya kwesinye isikolo.
Then I moved to a high school So it's a mix, but it's Xhosa best corner now. So then it's Xhosa and then we do English.
Okay.
Even high school, I'm in Lovell High School.
Lovell High School. Bimnandi High School, yep.
Yeah, that's where I peaked, girl.
Oh, you peaked? Get Bola, bro.
Nah, Ebola was in primary.
Okay, it means as peaks is Ako, bro.
Yeah, I was good in football, Now, almost everything that I do, I always tell people, I've never, it's not even a flex or an understand, but everything I do, I've never really struggled to go born. I just decided, let me do something and immediately it takes off.
You become good at it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Why does that happen? Like,
I don't know why but it just happened. With even in football, Vredenburg is like the outskirts of Cape Town. There were no trials at all. From age 6 up until 18 or 25, trial. But ngoku mna ndikupik yam kwakho trials. the School of Excellence, and then that was the only
guy.
To West Coast, and then as you told us, Armana born. So say Western Cape songs as up.
Azodlala ibhola eWestern Cape.
So I was trying up at School of Excellence for like 4 days. Born hostel School of Excellence, but it's like a hostel. Born kuyafunda at the same time nilala kwalapha.
Okay.
So high school and child. So now apart from grade 8 up till grade 12, but I didn't make it because I was this short, yeah, bro.
Kwibhola, yeah.
I was short, and then the people and also when was it I think they forced the ID or something. Queen is corruption in the kapa. So that also I didn't make it.
You didn't make it because you were younger than these guys, bro.
I didn't have a lot of confidence because man's in the head. But at least let's say in 3 and 4. So this only hit there, bro.
So I kept coach from Miss Kolosa because of support.
But it was tough.
Yeah.
So I think life I'm going different if Nanding a road because I was good, yeah.
You were
so
really...
the following year, I went back to Freedomberg. That's when King of Music started.
You went back to Freedomberg and started locking in.
At Joburg, yeah, bro. So I came back. As I tried to December. So in the Eastern Cape, and then the following year, what's another
Freedomberg. Which year is this?
2013.
2013. So Kale went to Molo now, 2013.
Yeah, I recorded my first song September 2013.
Oh, you even remember the month?
I do.
Why do you remember it so much, bro? Why is it so significant for you to remember the month?
I wrote Mtulo for almost a year. And Ulans knew that I'm writing, just that I wasn't confident enough, but also I didn't know about record to happy songs away, and there were crews there, Freedomberg, Quick Crusher Squad, DJ Squad, so sidibane ebholeni asidibane emculweni sidibane ebholeni mina ndaziwa ngebhola so Lance has this blackberry yakhe download beats instrumentals like on Toxic Web so wadlala la beat waya kwenye itsotsi that was like the leader of Aces Rapper wathi fethu angacishe umjida so yayidebate yakwase lapho rapper kwathini mina been writing the whole year wakhalisa la beat umjida started rapping because of confidence upholile. And then I rapped after him.
Wamcisha nyani? Ungumkosi ngokumcishayo kanye you had another name?
Angabi nagama but eventually that's T and abang experience.
Experience.
That AXP. That's on my TikTok was like AXP.
Daibola we
come from experience that just cut it short.
Oh, okay.
So she assigned me there immediate. You are part of the crew now, man. So they came down, they were like
how does someone go
7 of them, no, it's 8. So Baza, women,
like bro, you're TV Freedomberg. Now check this bra out, chat. Check this bra out. This bra is fucking fire. I'm telling you. You guys from the burbs needs to peep this guy.
Yo, kutofunika kasi repair ngona bo. Tizorepa pete inwada and exam paired college lyrics. Yo na rap and then we recorded the following week. I think suspected 20 run for record. Suspected 20 run so record on the tongue vibe or plans the current pro where rap night.
For sure.
And also I think I wasn't confident one because I rapped Ekolele in Langom. It was our first song, Chase Got to Pizu. The first time was at the end. But it was the most played.
Saldana is Emma Pandeni on its own, bro. I mean, Kausuke Freedomberg, Usuke Kapa, that's like Usuke Eastern Cape, Usuke Kapa, but you are in the Western Cape. Lomji, the better let's lalin twice. We are Sugam Tata, Ushakum Tata, but maybe Oryx, they don't Tata because Freedomberg, bro, that's just crazy. Like, how do you decide you're Freedomberg? Kuyugutini. Yeah, well, that's what I don't get, chat. Nah, he's actually dope. You should check him out.
Because it was the best one.
I think his music video now on he dropped last month. I think it's probably almost 400k views. That has to mean something. Holy yapatan. Yeah, that's the basics of
what? It's like my first song. One take food. I recorded one take, no backup, no nothing. Yo, it took off. It's going.
Yeah. it gained popularity in and amongst the people there.
Yeah.
Oh.
So like the first song I was in it.
Except,
You knew then about
it's supposed to be an Orlando Pirates match right now. What's going on with the Orlando Pirates? I also want to see that as well. Like, Chad, I want to multitask. I also want to look at Orlando Pirates, Chad. How are they doing? Chad, are you watching, Chad? Is Orlando Pirates cooking there? Let me come, Chad. Chat. Let me continue here, chat. Yo, shout out to 4 viewers, bro. Shout out to you guys.
King D-Rap and when Nzayenza Lendo forever.
Just love music. I love doing music. Let me just do music, yeah, bro.
I hear you. And do you remember the moment it confirmed for you about, okay, now, and I can really just eat with music, with streaming, TikTok, with me being me?
That's years later.
Years later, ne?
That's years later. I think that started in 2022.
Whoa, that's like 10 years later.
Like come back it's from because I remember that 2014, 2015, towards 2016, I'm focus the school in
Sure.
Because the only way to get out of the hood is through focus the scaler, go to a university to be exposed to a lot of things about what crashes in the market. So it's like, let me focus on this. I'll come back to music later.
And you went to university?
Yeah.
Which university? What did you study?
Actually, what do you mean? That's kind of your plan, bro. That was actually my plan too. That's why I'm here now. Because I did that. I did all of that. I did that.
Did you finish? How did it go?
I went to UWC.
You asked this question, Chad. But did he finish matric? Now this is your time to shine. What did you ask that? This is your time to shine.
Let's just keep it that. I guess the other answers answer themselves if we're keeping it that way. Yeah.
Actually, I just went to
UWC now.
2019, 2020, 2021, 2022.
Oh, 4 years. First year yakung 2019.
2019.
Okay. I respect Njayam and the singer Titing Ayo. Let's talk about Chom though. Tell Ricky Lunwabo now as he goes, new name, you know.
Chad, anyone who knows this guy in Vasit, why doesn't want to speak about it? What happened, Chad? Sorry about that. So sorry about that.
That's the first time I actually saw you on a song, and I was like, "Boy, this song is really crazy."
On the like TikTok,
You know, okay, no, I bought a music video. Now it's like close to 500,000. The music video for Chom, bruh. Like, tell me, how did you guys and Lonwabo, since it's Lonwabo now, how did you guys like make the song and
go back to the way we booze and have any pendle.
Okay.
UWC. I'm done now. What am I doing in Cape Town?
Okay.
So
Raps.
The same time I'm thinking, yo, and in Sepasi I'm going back to Cape Town. ndizofika nezinto eCape Town andifuna ufederation studies. What am I going to do in Cape Town, yabo? So I was like, hey, I've exhausted everything, let me just go back to rapping. And the rap has always knocked on my door, for the longest time. But for me, nansi into like ezokukisa, this is what you are supposed to be doing. So na-exhausta zonke izinto like i-options endinazo up until I decided but no man, this year rap. So I came back nge-2nd kaJanuwari, nge-3rd nabe ndise-Cape Town. I met with him, yabo, Tanomzo, nge-3rd kaJanuwari, I still remember. Bona eCape Town kushushu mos, we met elandukeni eClifton elwandle, bona. So I told him, actually kulo nyaka let's forget about utuja and whatever, I want to go back to rapping. And then 3 days later Ricky dropped as a snippet ska Chomi. And then he sent me the thing and said jump on this song. I was like, this is already a song, Mos. But
it's already done, yeah.
No, he said no, it's just a snippet, yes. Because I didn't even understand it was a snippet. Me, I'm old school. But I went to ask this snippet is you can jump on this song, but I was like, okay. Did you speak to him? And also credit Zach once he speaks, yamaNdebele. So Rick was like, okay, he can do it, yabo. But the TikTok like clash. And this is a life-changing song. This is a very difficult position as in bigger go Rick. You cannot put someone J Uchomi. But yeah, I was like, okay, let me write. Me, I know Mosba, I'm gonna kill it, yabo. But like Bono, Ricky, and everyone else abayaz, so it's a risk.
Like the content.
Come on, let me go and record the way. Because the recorder, there are 2 verses as
okay.
Kaka Apex. Tamsa waqala as a verse they record them kaka Apex bekho simulations.
Sure.
Your confidence
Eish.
was like that, there's no way.
Ukhetwe yama out of these guys.
There's no way. And also he has Apex and Maz. I haven't seen him in life, but I respect the name because he was so chill. Like uyayenza le way yakhe. But I still recorded my verse. Didn't confidence. I was like, nah, I gotta go and meet to Rick. Yeah, bo. Let me chill with Rick. It's been a chemistry. And then I will record because that session went bad. It was still the same verse. Funny enough, I've never changed it.
It's still the same verse. Yeah.
Because I understood this is a classic verse because it complements the song. Yeah, so well. Because Mamela was like a 3-year-old and I told the chorus. Even like teenager to Abanda
when this thing dropped, chat, like I already listened to this part.
So easy, catchy. So you need a verse as a match. It be low because Natula Mdana 6. Like Vusa 1, Vusa 12. Bon, J Yadali Poli. So I didn't change the verse when I'm going me to Rick and I told number I didn't know Rick. Also wasn't tapped in kakhulu we rap up until the boy. Then I focus on goals. So I met to Rick, I went to Abashala Corner, I met Namashita Sahlala Bon. And then we re-recorded the verse and then we did the back to back.
Yeah, already when it dropped this thing live chat, I was there. But now I didn't watch like I missed maybe 30 minutes of it. But this part right here where he talks about how he made his verse and all that stuff, how he made Hottest Ekapa. I don't know if you guys watched it, but I did. How he made Hottest Ekapa, because Hottest Ekapa is from Baggy Pants. There's something that he said in Baggy Pants. Then he made Hottest from Ekapa. And he says he doesn't make music consistently like that because he can't hold himself. If he makes a song, he wants it to go out. So that's why he doesn't really entertain. You know? Let's check out.
The challenges, even with streaming, we have to go to stream every episode. We have Abandu, we care. Also, we have to pay hospitality. So, man.
Streaming is very expensive, chat. It's very expensive and it barely brings back the same amount. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even affiliated, let alone making money. We need to get affiliated first. Streaming is a lot of crap. But we're doing it anyway for the life of the game. So check us out. We're going to be in Armanis doing IRL during the day. The hot style. nothing else. Bray, yonke la way uzayifumana in a stream. Later on, we're doing a desktop. We're going to invite some few people, a few talents, if ever, except there's somebody actually who has a talent who doesn't know. Because yamaNdebele, what he does, he hosts Inkosi talent so people can be seen. But the thing is, not everybody can be able to go to that show. So we are bringing that to you. I don't have a lot of following, but at some point, somebody's going to see you somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So we are bringing it to you. So if you are from Armana's, we will be there this 8th of November. Then following week, I think that will be the 16th of November. We're going to be in Palin Bekweni. So if you are interested, or just DM us, just talk to us. We wanted Salty Gianni to host us there, but because now we don't have the value, we know those people at this point, nobody sees us. He just was like, nah, I'm not gonna be part of this shit. Like, he mised it, not that. Yeah, but I don't blame him, because who am I to just come through and like, yo, dog, this is what's happening, and he jumps. Yeah, but he doesn't see the vision like that. Yeah, but if it was someone like Inkosi, yamaNdebele, someone who already has the motion, fuck, I'm not giving you guys ideas. What the fuck? Yeah, that's how it goes basically. Yeah, that's what I'm on.
Mali,
That's the problem.
yeah, and they are invested. If you do music videos, they are shooting on one. Irish lenses, even if niggas shoot somewhere else, team up bookie flights, I book for
I don't want to watch it again for the sake of being here. I watched it when it was live, before it actually dropped.
Conversation. Needs no talent ever. You mentioned Creed, Oasis, the Muslim shit is too far. Yeah.
About 2026. Cape Town 2026.
Is that what be, bro?
Yeah.
Nam zabe ndikho lo 2026 uthetha ngaye zabe ndi within namda and boss zabe ndikhona noba ndenza ntoni ndiyanyakathisa ngoko ngiyaqaleka ngoku ndiyanyakathisa futhi anaxesha laloo nto ndiyanyakathisa ngoku ndiyanyakathisa futhi ndiyanyakathisa andithanga nqaba kwathini ungathangani ndiyanyakathisa qha futhi ndiyanyakathisa.
You plan to get married?
I do.
Say diverse, say diverse.
Hayibo. Wase wayolanda umbuzo okude. Upani nalomfana, unani nalomfana? Shini bethuni?
Sivai questions there.
Man, I believe I'm in love. I'm born. Yes, I planned life for him according, born and then it didn't go.
With stages, ne?
Born, get married, born, have children, born.
Okay.
I'm still gonna do it, born. Cause just then, not time the phase with life for direction and it heart and legs. It's supposed to be it heart. Doesn't have to be, so but at a later stage, of course, I was married because I believe in marriage. Born, you couldn't be born. Sense I'm born. I never in one household. See, I've had any brothers. I'm not so proud. We can chill like this. We find a year later, but actually, the brothers.
Okay.
Born, see, I've had yeah.
Are you the youngest born?
No.
Oldest in the middle. Nibanga big brothers.
It's by 3.
Okay.
We are months apart.
Months? Oh, that.
Yo, I'm actually the middle child too, dog. But we're not months apart. I think my big brother is, 2-3 years older. My younger brother is 5 years older younger than me. I'm the middle child. And bruh, I'm invincible, bro. I'm fucking invincible. That's just crazy. And I'm the one with the aura.
It's chilled, most. It's not too crazy. Like the oldest is how old?
It's crazy because let's say I'm 2025, I'm 2026, I'm
2027.
Oh.
So there's a bond between you.
Yeah, so I'm lapis paratin, and funny enough, and as you I feel like this struggle for like about in the middle. Mina xa ndizindlini ndibizwa ngegama lebrother zam. Okanye umuntu akandazi at all. Kodwa uyaya ekhaya like frequently abazali bami uyabaza wonke umuntu but mina akandazi, I'm almost invisible, andaziwa andiyazi njani.
Ish. Curse of being the middle child,
No.
maybe. Ish.
Bruh. I relate to this so much, bruh. If I go to ezilalini, bruh, andaziwa umntu bruh kuzothi ngompilo. What do you mean ngompilo, dog? What do you mean by that? Ngompilo. Utolongo ophakathi. What? There's a child ophakathi. Yo, bruh, what are you talking about? Oh, they call me ngegama lebrothers zami, bruh. Jongani nina apha eduze sanongiqala kakubi nina apha. Igama lam ndibizene igama lam sanongiqala kakubi apha nina. Ndikutheni ningandazi ngo? Utheni sanonigezela apha kulo dutywa leyo nonke nidibene sanongiqala kakubi. Please.
Sometimes khona time ngona ngiqala 2012 2022 ku TikTok. Ithi kuse ungwaphi le ntwana. Xa nimjonga abo time uya kwendlini.
Oh.
Yo, abantu abaninzi abantu.
Bruh, there's a guy ohlala next door. Next door. Yabonga into eyenzayo, he just pretends he knows me now. But xa nombuza igama lam nomeke sozalazi. Now he says nyana kabani. What he does now is he just know that sounds collective. Yeah. Instead of calling me by my name, oh, Eksenyana kaba calling my father. He knows that it's collective, that thing. So he won't go wrong, but he will never call my name. But when it comes to my brothers, he knows them by name. Insane.
They just call me Bandisa yamaNdebele sometimes. Bandisa my older brother. Andaziwa.
Abakwazi, like, you know.
Somebody bayabazi boss. Yeah,
surely now. Personality abayazi.
Ekhaya yo.
Bayayazi ba Inkosi yamaNdebele.
Yeah, they do actually.
They do, ne?
They do.
How do they feel about you now, Bonnie? Inkosi yamaNdebele?
Yeah, I don't think they care.
Ne, they too busy with their own lives.
Nah, generally my brothers are not on social media, man.
Fair.
I'm not gonna the phone, most bang from one. They always liked like a PlayStation, buy a pants about that. So they're not big on social media, man. Quite
Oh.
but obviously, already proud about my sister. Yeah.
Shout out, bro. And do you have a top 5 favorite rappers right now? Your favorite rappers.
P.
It can be Masiti Mzansi, ke. Just
Mama City, Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Nah, guys.
Bafethu. This guy uyambuza by except. Do you have favorite rappers? Yabo. Chat. Uyabuza by P. Be specific about your question. Because what he's trying to do is he wants to bring it home. Now, Cape Town, Inkosi yamaNdebele is representing us, Bafethu. Cape Town people, this guy is all about us. Because ubuza question, utumjita P, and for no mistake, then why are direct? But no, let's say Cape Town. I want to be specific about this because and deny represent that. And if rapper yam go brother Cooper, I'm not gonna do that. Masihambe say bye guy. Shout out to Inkosi yamaNdebele, dog. I don't wanna lie, this guy is him. He really represents us, dog.
Listen to a lot of Maskandi, that's the thing. So when I listen to hip hop, I listen to Cape Town hip hop. So Cape Town is nabani okay, man, be fair. It's no bass. We have Matasa. We have Opapli. We have Uefa. Abo. Two. Chance.
Sending about Lizzie Lane.
Lizzie Lane as well.
She's too fire. Yo, she's too fire.
My baby. Who else? No, Creed is hard. No Mito, but hard. No Dola, but hard.
Mito.
Yeah. I'm sure you can't even like frequent. You can't live
Utolo se kapa no?
No. This is high school.
This is high school,
yes, ne? Come on.
Yeah. Oh, makes sense.
I also told him like the same thing, but the only way to move out of Apostle is through education.
Nah, it's the key to success, bro.
Yeah.
For real.
Even if uye Joburg kanye hlale res get exposed to abantu, like that's where you discover yourself.
Facts.
So I told him
Facts. Yo. If it was a high school, it was a primary, whatever. Kawam, your university. Sometimes, bruh, you know, let me cook, chat. Let me cook, chat. This is very important. What you just said. You know, university isn't just to go and get the degree or the diploma or whatever. University is about socializing. It's about getting to know people, connect. Because the same guys that I met in university, if I need something that I'm not able to get, even if it's a phone number or whatever, I text those people. I've never had a conversation with a Swati person, like from grade 1 to grade 12. I've never had a chance to have a conversation with a Swati speaking person, a Tswana, like a guy from Pretoria. I've never had a chance to do that. But when I went to Joe's, when I went to university, I got to engage. I saw how people are. I started to socialize. So that thing, it uplifted some bit of confidence about like, oh shit, the world is kind of big. You know, I'm not saying I saw everything, but going to university is life, chat. Go to university. I'm not saying go for vibes. I'm just saying go and experience what university is. Yeah, well, people. It's so easy to entertain negative things on social media. People will be posting about how depressing it is, how whatnot it was. Bruh, you choose your own state of mind. If ever you want to view university as a depressing place, that's what it's gonna be. If you want to view university as a happy place, that's what's... people I went to school with, me, I was the happiest guy in university. I don't give a fuck. I was the happiest nigga in university. People who I went to school with, they know. I was so happy that they thought that I would never make it in life. That's how happy I was. But look at me now. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. One day though, one day I'm gonna tell you. One day. I know who hated me. I know. But one day is one day. But now you guys are not worth it though. I don't lie. Anyway, yeah, go to university, bro. Go to university. Anyway, sorry yamaNdebele, cook.
Afunda boy. Grade 12 uhambe evapha. Wenza into yakho ke is fine.
Okay, but isikolo ibanaso.
Yeah.
Okay. And as Inkosi yamaNdebele, how far do you want to take this brand of yours, bro? Like, where do you see yourself? Like, okay, peak and beyond these peaks that I've felt. This is a new peak that peaks are the peaks. Yeah. Tell me about that peak. What do you see of yourself?
First day, we have to go national, or at least compose a job, the national. And then from there, we can see.
You can see now.
You can see, but I'm taking it too far. That one is guaranteed. But let's just be national. As much as Natina market, Sinazu gigs to Western Cape, Eastern Cape. But let's just be national. Collaborations also with the artists.
Please do that.
Even Pretoria, even Joburg, even Dubs. Collaborations. Yeah. So I wouldn't say my city in the next 10 years. Let's just take it one step at a time. Now we established the brand. Let's do collaborations. Let's tap into a different market. One step at a time.
We grow that way. Yeah. You know? And
by the time you look back, we'll peak of the pictures.
Yeah. In a bigger, better house, place, wherever, like Destiny, wherever was Bonacona. And yamaNdebele brand. Before we really wrap it up.
I consume a lot of Zulu content. I'm tapped in at Tepe, Maska, and the content creators all like that. Inkosi into yonke pa.
Okay.
Inkosi yamanesi, Inkosi yamakhwanda, Inkosi into yonke. So ziyandichaza, ziyandilahlisa. But on our side, ayingekho lo way. Inkosi ithatha serious futhi yabo. Oh Inkosi bona even nango ngathi Inkosi serious. So ngo ndichinja igama on Facebook. I wanted a new name because I'm funa sponsor igama lami nefana yami. Because females xa ndisearch apha ibone I'm trolling on bona kwezwe. So ndacinga uba ndingazithiya ngabantu because yamaXhosa nice no slapping it's expected yabo. And then Inkosi yamaNdebele.
Wow.
I loved when you type family kama alenzi sense because
come on bra ora
I ndwazi basically bone yeah
I connect dibanisa now
so it was fun. It's not disrespect bone it was just fun me trying to have elinye igama yabo.
I get you.
But yeah I love it cool ke even on TikTok music also qomba late for change.
This is the name now.
Yeah.
You know? Yabulela fethu Inkosi yamaNdebele for coming through to the Swisher show.
Yeah.
You know, you one of the I've had Bravo, I've had Diko Wala, now I have you. One of the few people I've had from Cape Town.
Yeah.
I plan to go to Cape Town very soon. Hopefully when I'm there you invite me to places where you know,
for sure.
I was there for like I told you 2020
Populous market yeah
Populous market. Dikendin born and Okayu no Balamdan Lashi Lushi Babeshuta.
yeah.
Zanbonisa pa EP Populous market.
close away
It's basically a pop-up event yeah, but we're in a Populous hub so
Okay.
it's in one place more. But generally it was a pop-up event. Sinayenzela naseJozi, sinayenzela anywhere bon.
Okay.
It's a culture more than it's events bon. We sell clothes as well. We have a podcast.
There's an event as well.
There's events also bon.
Okay.
But mostly Populous hub no?
Populous hub.
Yeah. So I'll take you back, probably get you an interview now bon.
Shout out. I'd appreciate that. And we appreciate you coming to the Swisher show, bruh. Anyone that you'd like to see that you've never seen at the Swisher show to sit here maybe, him Interviewisher, since it was you today, who would you like to see for the Swisher show next time?
Why you told you come interview what to love it over?
Toriki, ne? Okay, Toriki, first option yako. Who else?
Yeah, I think yeah, totally.
Toriki, ne?
Who else now them interviewer now? Who else now? Have a female also. Let's say Lizzie Lane or
Lizzie Lane. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll tap into Ulonwabo because now he changed his name, by the way. Ulonwabo Uriki.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you coming, my brother. You know, my viewers, please, man, like and subscribe. Dani Bulela for always watching us. I love and leave you. Thank you.
That was a good one.
Fire, Chad. I don't lie. It was a fire. Shout out to Inkosi yamaNdebele.